The Zoom tool is very useful to help you see all of your document information. Here's how to make sure that you can see all of the document information horizontally. If you are creating wide documents, such as those you will print in landscape mode, then you may find yourself scrolling left and right within your document window all the time. I've got just such a document on the screen. Notice that the text extends past the right side of the screen, and if I want to see that text, then I need to use the horizontal scroll bar at the bottom of the screen and simply drag over so I can see the rest of the text. For some people, this horizontal scrolling can be distracting. If you find yourself distracted, well, there is one thing that you can try. Go ahead and display the View tab of the ribbon right over here. The thing we want to do is pay attention to the tools that are here within the Zoom group. The setting you can try out is this one, Page Width. This setting forces Word to calculate the proper zoom level necessary to view the entire width of your document. When I go ahead and I click on this tool, notice that Word adjusted the zoom level to 95%. You can see that in the bottom right corner of the screen here. This means that I can see the full width of the page, and I don't need to scroll left and right anymore. Now, the acceptability of this approach depends on a few things. First, it depends on the width of your document. The wider the document, the smaller the zoom level that Word will need to use to display it all. Secondly, it depends on the size and resolution of your monitor. The larger the monitor and the higher the resolution, the less that Word will need to zoom to display the full page width. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for the free Word Tips newsletter. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.